Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Tamisha and today we're talking about wash day. Having a solid wash day routine is the foundation to keeping your hair moisturized. Today I'm sharing with you my tips and tricks to keeping my wash day simple yet effective. The night before wash day, I always put my hair in 4 chunky braids no matter what style it is in. The reason I do this is because tangles release easier on stretched hair. Before I apply shampoo, I allow my hair to get completely saturated with water. I do this as a beginning process to removing the product that I've been using throughout the week, as well as reintroduce the main source of hydration, which is water. I apply shampoo using a smoothing technique from roots to ends, and you'll see that I am holding my hair in a stretched position. This prevents unnecessary tangles from happening during the shampoo process. I recently stopped using regular conditioner and now I only use deep conditioner, and I have noticed a complete difference in my hair for the better, so I recommend you try it. When applying conditioner, I focus on the ends and work my way up. I start the detangling process at the very start of my wash day, but once I add the conditioner, this is where I do a complete detangle of my hair. The conditioner adds slip to the hair, which helps in detangling. I will put everything that I'm using in the description box below, but I'd rather you focus on my technique rather than the products. Just use what works for you. I like to go in with a detangling brush. Not only does it detangle the hair, but it removes those shed hairs that may be preventing the product from being applied to your hair properly. I'm not saying that you should use a detangling tool at all. You can definitely finger detangle. The rules still apply. After I finish detangling, I put on a plastic cap and I let the conditioner sit for about 10 minutes before I rinse out with lukewarm water. I like to apply my leave-in / styler on damp hair. I find that this works best for me. These days, I don't really focus on the LOC or the LCO method at all. I just use products that my hair likes. I feel like a lot of times we get lost in these trends, we jump on bandwagons, and we forget to pay attention to what our hair is saying. I'm keeping it simple with a wet and set type of style. I let it air dry, and when I'm ready to leave the house, I have a braid out ready to go. Thank you for watching, and I will see y'all next video.